Welcome. This is a quick yoga wheel stretch you can do during the day when you feel tension or achy back muscles beginning to build up. This is also a great practice if you're working on posture. Let's begin seated with the wheel placed to the right side, just beside you in line with the hips and the shoulders. With the palm facing up, begin to roll the wheel out as far as you comfortably can as you begin to come into a side stretch, reaching the left hand up and overhead. And if the body allows it, go ahead and bring the hands into prayer. Opening that left shoulder. Inhale, we'll gently release. We'll switch sides. Coming into your side bend and stopping wherever you feel the stretch. Rolling that right shoulder open, just avoiding rolling forward here. Opening that chest. We'll inhale, gently release. We'll come to our knees, placing the wheel right in front of us. Taking the knees nice and wide here, hands in prayer, or go ahead and grab the rim of the wheel with both hands as you begin to roll it out until you feel the stretch. Option to place blocks underneath the forehead. If the stretch is too much today, no worries. Feel free to modify. You can even place a pillow underneath the hips if that feels good. We'll create space with our inhales, so nice deep inhales. And with your exhale, sighing out any tension. And we'll gently release. Take your time. Inhaling, hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.